Today, you will learn how to apply small caps in Microsoft Word on a Windows PC step by step. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. First, open your Word document. Now, select the text you want to convert into small caps. You can select text in 3 easy ways. Double-click a word to select it. Triple-click a paragraph to select it. Or click and drag your mouse across the text. After selecting the text, right-click on the selected text. Click on Font. Or go to the Home tab. In the Font section, click the small arrow in the bottom right corner. This opens the Font dialog box. In the Font dialog box, make sure you are in the Font tab. Look for the Effects section. Check the box that says Small Caps. Click OK. That's it. Your selected text will instantly change into small caps. If you want to apply small caps very quickly, use this shortcut. Ctrl plus Shift plus K. Just select text, press Ctrl plus Shift plus K. Done. This is much faster than opening the font box every time. If you want to remove it, select the small caps text, press Ctrl plus Shift plus K again, or open the font dialog box, uncheck small caps, and click OK. While you are in the font dialog box, you'll also see other powerful options. All caps makes all letters full capital size. Superscript for powers like x squared. Subscript for chemical formulas like H2O. Strikethrough draws a line through text. Hidden text hides text from printing. These are very useful for students, teachers, and office work. Small caps looks best when used in titles, headings, names of books, certificates, formal assignments. Avoid using it in long paragraphs because it becomes hard to read. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Microsoft Word tips.